Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Minal Karat, 5th standard maths teacher. Today we are going to start our new lesson number 12, perimeter and area. At the end of this period, you will be able to know what is perimeter. You will be able to find the perimeter of closed figures and also able to know the formula of perimeter of rectangle and square. So students, in previous standard, as you have learned that closed figures have a perimeter, you have also learned that the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a figure is called its perimeter. This perimeter is very important in our day-to-day life as we are using this to solve the real life examples like measuring the length of the fence of a plot, measuring the length of wall, etc. Today we are going to learn how to find out the formula of perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. We are also going to use this formula to solve the examples. Now first let's see what is perimeter and what is the perimeter of different diagonal shapes. First, perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a figure. Perimeter of a rectangle. It is the sum of the length of all four sides of the rectangle. Perimeter of a square. It is the sum of the length of all four sides of the square. Next, perimeter of a triangle. It is the sum of the length of all three sides of the triangle. Means we can say that perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a closed figure. Here I have given some examples. In first you can see that it is the diagram of rectangle. The lengths of all sides of the rectangle are given. The lengths of the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So when we add all these sides, means 5 cm plus 8 cm plus 5 cm plus 8 cm, we get the perimeter of that rectangle, which is 26 cm. Now next example, you can see it is a square. The length of the side of the square is given, which is 5 cm. And you know that all the sides of the square are equal. Means all the sides are having 5 cm its length. So when we add all this side, we get the perimeter of that square, which is 20 cm. Now next example is a triangle. In the triangle, the length of all the three sides are given. The length of the side AB is 4 cm. The length of side BC is 6 cm. And the length of side CA is 6 cm. When we add all this side, we get the perimeter of that triangle. So the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 16 cm. So like this we can calculate or we can find out the perimeter of the closed figures. Now students, let's solve some examples from problem set 48. Write the perimeter of each figure in the box given below it. Here some closed figures are given and we have to find out the perimeter of these closed figures. As we have learnt that the perimeter means the sum of length of all the sides. So here in first example I have added the length of all sides. 7 cm plus 16 cm plus 20 cm plus 14 cm is equal to 57 cm. Now in next example, I have added all the sides as 8 cm plus 10 cm plus 6 cm plus 6 cm plus 10 cm plus 8 cm is equal to 48 cm. And in third example also I have added all the 5 sides and we get the answer 64 centimeter. So like this we can find out the perimeter of closed figures by adding the length of all sides of the given figure. Let's see next example. If a square of side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of a large square with side 3 centimeter as shown in figure, what will be the perimeter of the remaining square? Here ABCD is the square of side 3 centimeter, means all the sides are of equal as it is a square, and after cutting out a square of side 1 centimeter from its corner, the remaining shape ABCEFG as shown in the figure. As we have cut down the corner side 1 centimeter, the D corner, we get this shape which is shown in the diagram. Now here AG is 2 centimeter, GF is 1 centimeter, FE is 1 centimeter, EC is 2 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter and AB is 3 centimeter. Now let's find out the perimeter of remaining shape. To find out the perimeter of remaining shape, we have to add all these sides which we can see into this diagram. AB plus BC plus CE plus EF plus FG and plus GA. Here AB is of 3 centimeter, BC is of 3 centimeter, CE is of 2 centimeter, EF is of 1 centimeter, FG is of 1 centimeter and GA is of 2 centimeter. So when we add all this side, we get the answer 12 centimeter. So we can say that the perimeter of the remaining shape is 12 centimeter. Now students, let's find out the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. As in previous standard, you have learnt how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. In that, you have learned that to find out the perimeter of rectangle, you have add all the sides of the rectangle. But in mathematics, there is a particular formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Here we are going to study how to find out the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Here the diagram of a rectangle is given and the length and breadth is also written there. So when we are going to find out the perimeter of this rectangle, we have to add all this length and breadth. So perimeter is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. As we know that opposite sides of rectangle are of the same length. Hence, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth. Means 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. So this is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Now here I have given one example. The rectangle of length 7 centimeter is given, which breadth is of 3 centimeter. As we know that opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So perimeter of rectangle PQRS is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Now 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14 plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So the answer is 20 centimeter. So here we can say that the perimeter of rectangle PQRS is 20 centimeter. Like this we can find out the perimeter of a rectangle by using the formula. Next, formula for the perimeter of a square. When we are find out the perimeter of a square, at that time we have to add the length of all sides of the square, and we know that the length of all the sides of a square are equal. Therefore, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of one of its sides. Means perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by the length of one side. This is the formula of perimeter of a square. Now here I have given one example. You can see the square ABCD and length of one side of square is 6 centimeter. Means the length of all sides of the square is 6 centimeter. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24 centimeter. So here we can say that the perimeter of square ABCD is 24 centimeter. So like this we can find out the perimeter of a square by using the formula. So students, before starting the problem set of perimeter of square and rectangle, here I have solved some example to give you the more clear idea how we can use the formula to solve the examples. First example, a rectangular plot of length 120 meter and breadth 50 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular park. Here first we will write the given part. Length of the rectangular plot is equal to 120 meter and breadth of rectangular plot is equal to 50 meter. Now we know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So here we will use that formula. So perimeter of a rectangular plot is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth is equal to 2 multiplied by 120 plus 2 multiplied by 50. The answer is 240 plus 100 and the answer of this addition is 340 meter. So the perimeter of the rectangular plot is 340 meter. So students, here you should memorize or you should learn the formula of perimeter of a rectangle and square. So it will make you easy to solve the examples. Next, a square handkerchief whose length of one side is 15 centimeter. Find its perimeter. First here we will write the given part. Length of one side of square handkerchief is equal to 15 centimeter. As we know that all the sides of the square are equal. And we also learn the formula of perimeter of square. So perimeter of a square handkerchief is equal to 4 multiplied by length of one side is equal to 4 multiplied by 15 and the answer is 60 centimeter. So here perimeter of square handkerchief is 60 centimeter. So like this we can solve the example by using the formula of perimeter of square and rectangle. So students, today we have learned what is perimeter. We have learned how to find the perimeter of closed figures. We have learned the formula of perimeter of a rectangle and square. Thank you.